Crowbar here, cooking with Crowbar. Today we're going to do another cake, my favorite cake, spice cake with cream cheese and a little surprise at the end. So here we go. So of course here we go, Betty Crocker Delight Super Moist Spice Cake, along with cream cheese. Got everything I need here to do this with. That's my drink again. Just cran raspberry drink, that's it. So I gotta get eggs, water, and oil together and we can start mixing. Alright, so I already have a cup of water in there. Now I'm gonna dump in, I have a cup of oil. I'll be back. Okay, well I'm not gonna watch or have you guys sit here and watch me mix and all that. You pretty much know how it happens, how it goes. I'll be back in a little bit when we're ready to put it in there. I'll be back. So, if you don't have spray or flour or whatever, just use a little bit of butter, lightly basted, or layer the pan before you put the batter in. So, here we go. That looks nice. There are 2 lines right there. Just pause it on the camera. 2 lines. Looks like a hot mess right now, don't it? We'll be back. Alright, so I have the oven preheating to 375. Once it reaches 375, it'll beep and say add food. Once that happens, I'll put that in there. And then we'll have a nice delicious spice cake with cream cheese. We'll be back. That was kickoff number 1. It's only right to say the reason why it was kicked off is because I forgot to unplug the coffee pot. Now that's solved, so hopefully it doesn't kick off again. We'll let you know. Alright, this says add food. Here we go. Alright, food is in there and start. Say it, start. Start. Hour later, I should have a cake. We'll be back. That's what I'm talking about, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to do a little bit of gameplay. Well, that's bacon. This ought to be fun. Oh my God, it looks like a cake's starting to rise. But remember the last time we did a cake, I pulled it out early and it jiggled like pudding. So we're going to keep it in there a little bit longer. See what it does. We'll be back. Just want to show you guys this. Look at this split bacon, really nice. Oh yeah, here we go. Keep it going. So real quick, I want to disturb it and check it. It's not done. It's not done. And I got another problem. TV has everything connected to that box right there. My PS4 and all that. Going to the TV, but it does this humming. Watch it not do it. Here's one blue. We'll be back. So right now I want to take this opportunity while the cake is baking. And I'm just sitting here thinking, I'm thinking about the career I chose in life, driving a semi, delivering goods to people, meeting different people. I have good times, but then I have a lot of bad times. But we always have to remind ourselves we picked this profession. We weren't made to drive a truck. With that being said, I think we all need to lighten up a little bit. Stop being so mean to each other. Stop cussing at each other. Stop cutting each other off. Slamming brakes, brake checking. And that's dangerous, people. We're talking about a vehicle that could potentially be 80,000 pounds or higher, considering if it's an oversized load. So my point is, eat better, drive safely. You know, that's a new motto of mine. I'd like to get along with people, I really would, but some people just make it so damn difficult. And they just make it to where you're like, you know what, screw it, I'm not doing it no more. Stop, take a breath for a minute, and rethink. It's really not a small world. You're probably not going to see him again until 5, 10, 15 years from now. Or you might see him the next day and he might say, hey, I didn't mean to talk to you like that. You never know. But the thing is, it's just certain times when you can be pushed and, you know, to the limit, to where you're done with it. You know what I mean? But yeah, let's all just get along with each other, do our jobs. I mean, none of us want to be stranded out here, and none of us sure as heck wants to die out here alone. All right, I'm done ranting. Get back to the cake. Well, I think we might be done. I'm not too sure, but let's try it out. I'll be back. So, there she is, spice cake, and it looks like a Chinese symbol. That's weird.
Here it looks like the letter K.
Yeah. Looks like Chinese symbol for good fortune. Okay, so I poke it. Got a little bit of batter still on there. So yeah, I might have to put her back in for a little bit. But she's starting to brown. I like that. But she's burning a little bit here. So I gotta kind of watch this. We'll be back. So let's try this again. Here we go. That batter. I'll be back. I gotta clean the knife off. I'll be back. Alright, knife is cleaned off. Here we go. It's not going to be a center anymore because I keep poking the damn thing. It looks done. It don't look like batter to me, but it looks like crumbs on there. But yeah, it's coming out clean. It's good. All right, cinnamon cake has to cool. We'll be back with a surprise. I swear I'm going to have to get a real cake pan because these foils, they're hard not to crunch up. But wait till you see what I'm going to put in this. Put in there. Maybe I need to, right there. So I'll put something in that. And put that in there. We'll be back. That's right, people. We're doing cinnamon rolls. Look out, Cinnabon. Crowbar's coming at you. We'll be back. The biscuits, the Cinnabons, or cinnamon rolls, doggone, I can't even freaking talk today, is in there. So, we'll see. I'm so damn excited I can't even talk. I'm like a fat kid. What? We'll be back. Wow. It called for 18 minutes, but it looks like they're done to me. I'm going to bring them out and we'll look at them better. We'll be back. Yeah, I think the cinnamon rolls are done. One more thing to do. Get in there. We'll be back. So there you go. Finished product. Yeah, one more thing to go. We'll be back. I'm going to go ahead and cook up Crystal's school-style squared pizza. That's what it reminds me of. But it's frozen, so we're going to cook this one up. We'll be back. Alright, well, while she's playing the Call of Duty real quick, I took a break. I can't resist. I gotta try one of these out. There we go. It's nice to have a cinnamon roll in your truck where you're not paying $6 at Cinnabon. This is nice. It's peaceful. It goes good with a cup of coffee, I bet. So I'll be back. There's a freaking war zone out there. I'll be back. Well, here's the spice cake with cream cheese topping. And for the surprise, sprinkles. Because everybody knows sprinkles are for winners. We'll be back. What do you think, guys? That's starting to look like a pizza. Crystal says it smells good, so we'll try it out. Hey guys, so if you like how I'm doing these videos and you like seeing what you're seeing and it inspires you or whatever, leave a like. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. If you haven't subscribed, I hope you think about subscribing. It'd be nice to build my page here up. I've been doing it a little over a year, and it'd be nice to get more subscribers and likes. Yeah, tell your friends, tell your mother, whatever. Thanks. We'll be back. Now there you have it. Frozen pizza into edible pizza. That's Crystal's dinner. I gotta get the leftovers from last night. Pot roast that she saved. Warm that up, and I'll have my dinner. Alright, we'll be back. Well, I'm nuking my food. Crystal's gonna eat her pizza. Baked a cake, baked cinnamon rolls. What more do you want? That's sweets. I'll let you look at the cake one last time. There you go, spice cake with cream cheese. My mind went blank. Icing with sprinkles on top. They're winter sprinkles. Only winners get sprinkles. Sorry about going blank on the brain there. It's been a long day, so go ahead and eat it. We don't have to watch this eat. So, like I said before, if you like my video, leave a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. And if you have subscribed, thank you very much. I really appreciate your support and your time. So, I'm going to go eat.